Hi there, my name is Jessica Delfino. I live in New York City where I love to make crafts. I'm even part of a craft group here called Craftermath, and you can find us at craftermath.blogspot.com. Today we're going to make a square creature, and that's really all you need to know. All you need is a square and some scissors, a bunch of paper, and some glue, and we're good to go. So on our square creature, we're going to start by giving him some funny feet. Okay, so I'm going to take this red piece of paper here. I'm just going to cut some kind of, I don't know, I guess you could call them almost beak-shaped arcs. Those are going to be his ridiculous feet. Okay, take a little bit of glue, put it on one side, boom. Now, all of a sudden, this creature has feet, and he can start walking around if he likes. So there's that. Now I'm going to give the creature some arms so that he can, you know, like do stuff. Take this little square of yellow paper here. I'm going to cut a curve into it. And I'm going to cut another curve into it. And that's going to be one arm. And I'm going to just take the other one. And you know what? Since this guy is a creature of my own imagination, it doesn't matter if his arms are the same length or not. But for symmetry's sake, we'll make them about the same length. Put a little dollop of glue on the end. There's one arm. We're going to do the same with the other. This one's going to be pointed downward. So now his arms are kind of like that. Okay, I want this guy to have some eyes. So we're going to take some white paper here. And I'm just going to make him nice, big, round, sort of oval-shaped eyes. And you know, it saves time if you do these at the same time. If you put two pieces together, then you won't have to cut twice like I'm having to do now. You can also use one as your sort of mold so you know where to cut. And then take your two circles, plop them down here. Doesn't matter really where they go. It's a creature. That's the beauty of having a creature. When you hear that word creature, it means just have fun with it. Now I'm going to take this yellow paper. These are going to be the sort of middles of his eyes. I'm just going to cut again around like so. And give him a couple more glue drops. Plop those little yellow circles in there like so. Lastly, I'm going to give him a mouth. So here's red. I've chosen red for his mouth. I'm going to cut a nice smile. This guy is happy, okay? He's got nothing to worry about. He doesn't have any bills to pay. He's just chilling, being, you know, being a creature. And yeah, that's pretty much it. So we're going to take our creature and hold him up. Now once he's dry, he's going to be set to go. In the meantime, his arms are kind of going to be flopping around, but you get the idea. There's your square creature, and happy crafting.